You will need to pull out the bone from your herring, that's shower fish, from the middle like this. But if that doesn't work, I'll show you what you can do. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's start from the very beginning on how to make sardines at home. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. To make sardine, you're going to need shower fish, what we call shower fish in Nigeria. And this is what it looks like. In English, it is called herring. I bought 1 kilo of this fish, I think for about 3,000 naira. And there are 4 of this size in 1 kg. So to begin with trying to take out the bone from this fish, you're going to cut off the head just like I am doing. I'm still going to cut off the head completely. As for the tail, you're just going to slit it. You don't cut it all through. Just slit, just cut the flesh and not the bone. Next thing you're going to do is to press it on the sides like this to sort of detach the bone from the flesh from the sides like this. You turn it over and do the same thing to the other side. And then gently you cut off the head completely and then pull it out from the tail like this. And I had success with 2 of the fish doing this. For the other 2, it did not work, so I had to cut it, slit the sides and take out the bone just like you just saw. And I make sure to remove all the dirt from that and give it a good wash. And this is it without the bone. And in case you're wondering why I'm using this big fish, there are, the smaller sardine fish, but it's not very common here. So where you cannot get that, you can use this big one. Remove the bone, that's the big one there, and just go on with your work. Alright, after cutting everything into smaller sizes, we're going to start with cooking. And to do that, I'm going to add some onions in a pot, followed by green bell peppers and bay leaves. Then set the fish in the pot. After doing this, I'm going to add some white pepper, some black pepper, some ground garlic, dried garlic powder, and of course seasoning and salt. After this, I will add some oil and enough water to cook this. I am going to cook this on very low heat for about 2 hours. I think mine spent about 1 hour and some 40 minutes. Yes, that long on low heat, because if you know this fish, you will know that it has very tiny bones inside. And what we want to do is to soften this so that when you eat it, you will not even notice there's bone inside. And that's why we had to cook for that long. Look at how soft that is. At this point, it is ready, looking good. The aroma is, you need to try it. If you watch this video up to this point, I hope that you gave me a thumbs up already. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope that you have done that. This recipe, I want you to try it and give me your feedback. It is really good. You just need to store this in your fridge and use whenever you like, just the same way you will use your sardines. Thank you very much everyone for watching. I will see you soon with another recipe. Bye bye.